Hi friends. Today I will tell you how to download and install CodeBlocks in your computer as the first step of our C++ journey. First, you guys have to open up your browser and then search CodeBlocks. Next, click on the first link provided by www.codeblocks.org. CodeBlocks is an open-source, cross-platform integrated development environment, or an IDE, designed to meet the needs of C++ developers. Here, you can use the given links to know more about the features, plugins, etc. etc. To download the setup, you can navigate to the Downloads tab. When downloading CodeBlocks, you have three options: the binary release, the source code, and retrieving the source code from SVN. The binary release is a precompiled version ready for installation, ideal for users who want a quick setup without any modifications. Downloading the source code provides a snapshot of the human-readable files, suitable for developers who wish to study or customize the software. Retrieving the source code from SVN gives you access to the latest version from the project's version control system, perfect for those who want the most recent updates or contribute to the development. However, because we are beginners at the moment, we will use the binary release, which is the easiest way to install CodeBlocks. After clicking Download the binary release, you can see that CodeBlocks is available for different platforms such as Windows, Linux, etc. As I use Windows, I have to download the CodeBlocks for Windows. Here, click on CodeBlock MinGW Setup. Just choose SourceForge or FossHub. Then, you will see that the file is being downloaded. Then, open the setup. Here, if you accept the terms of agreement, click Agree to continue. Then only you will be able to install CodeBlocks in your computer. Here, as you can see, the setup will install CodeBlocks in Program Files. But if you want to install it in a different folder, you can browse and specify the location that you need to install it. Then, let us wait for the setup to install CodeBlocks. Okay, now it is 100% completed. Then, you have to click NEX. And then, click Finish to close the setup. In the next video, let's write our first program in C++. If you'd like to join me in learning and mastering C++, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or looking to refine your skills, these tutorials will guide you through the essentials and beyond. Don't forget to leave a comment or question below, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Happy coding!